Bridge of Lions. They have all those lion statues on it.
Must have been weird in the days of the Roman Empire when lions just roamed everywhere.
Oh yeah.
Just working out the best way to get through here. I guess. These blue paths they've put up are really useful because it's a lot easier to walk than on loose sand.
Yeah.
You know, it kind of helps the older people a lot, and even some of the younger ones. Wow, it's packed.
Yeah.
They've gotten rid of that drop beach, so they've definitely replenished the sand on the beach. I think it was about 10 feet lower the last time I came. Wow, look at that. Pretty spectacular waves today as well.
What'd you say?
Some pretty spectacular waves today as well. So, try going over here in a minute. I guess this part's probably the best to walk along. You okay walking on here?
Yeah. Looks like they've got a couple pathways off. So
Yeah.
you can always get off the beach if it starts to bother me.
True. Yeah,
There
that
seem to
bit
be
on the
enough
top.
people around and it's not bugging me, so.
Good. I'll just get some pictures of the beach from here. There is a bit of a breeze anyway. Some more footage of the waves. Apparently it's pretty hot in England this year as well.
Yeah.
see what you mean about all these things leading off.
Yeah.
Some of them are private. Look how that guy's got a
Yeah.
thing across this thing. Should get a few of those houses as well. Yeah, there's not many people at this end actually. You know, the further you go down the beach, the more expensive the houses get. I wish they'd had those get-ups when I was young and going on the beach, when I was like in my 20s.
Okay.
There was a big lump of sand there I didn't see. Whew. Just get some of these waves. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to step on your foot there. I thought that was going to come up. With all the years in England, I got a good feel for Atlantic waves.
Didn't think it was going to go very high, so I'm not worried about it.
No. And you can see where the salt's got some of these houses. Look at his deck there. I'll just kind of take a shot of that. Sorry. You don't see much with all this grass stuff. Yeah, see the light blue house, his deck's just rusted through just about. That might actually be a bit unsafe to walk on, I suspect. In fact, that house might be abandoned because I don't see anything across that deck to stop you falling off it. This is what you got on the front over here. Hey, how you doing? How's the fishing going?
Oh, it's
Good.
good.
Must be the perfect place to just sit here and watch them come in. Have a good day. Try and get a bit more of the